station. We're going to put some hinges on here, put some hinges on here, so we can hinge this whole framework over. We're driving down the highway. Here's the hinges we're going to use. See them, all the fancy ski boats. I get them from my aluminum supplier. So this will take 1.5 inch schedule 40 pipe. My challenge today is they have to be square. This way, this way, this way, this way. So they stay the same all the way down. Gonna use some eyeball technology. Might measure something, tack them together, see how it works. Be too tall to go down the road. I'm going to reinforce it some, fill and finish all the weld, grind everything down. It's all going to be painted white. It's going to be awesome. Tower, aluminum. I'm going to finish today putting on 2 more rod holders and taking the tilt section off so I can finish weld it. I'm going to finish weld it, sand it, paint it white. It's going to look brand new. We're going to put a bigger roof on the top part. Not much, a little bit bigger. And then it's going to look brand new. All for about $2,000. There they are, all nicely painted. Looking good. Let them dry a couple days. Bolt them together. gonna fall. Put some flooring on them.
Alright, we're spraying zinc chromate on this tower we made for an inspected boat project. Once I'm done that, I'm gonna spray some white paint on it, smooth everything in. Urethane. But Chris, that's not going to work. That's not for marine environment. It's polyurethane paint, goes on metal, it'll work fine. Here we go. Still thoroughly a pain in the ass. It's gonna take me a couple hours. I'll come back and show you the finished product. Buddy, have our tower finished, painted, coated zinc chromate on it, a couple coats of Nason polyurethane. Now it's all Chevy GM white. All together. I'm going to attempt to put this on the boat temporarily today to get a better idea of what it's going to look like on the boat.
Well, it's been nearly a year since Chris and I first went to the boatyard and sawed it in half. That way. And in that time, he's busied himself with having the naval architect draw up some plans. And now got to get the Coast Guard to approve all that. Although he has got the gas tanks approved, that's a biggie. And he's put in some stiffeners. And he's made this lovely piece of art that doubles as a jungle gym for the kids. We don't really have any kids. But you know, it looks better than half the stuff at MoMA. So he's rigged it to this platform on the forklift. And we're now going to put it up there, hopefully without it tipping off for a dry fit. Yeah? Did you want me to have a rope on there or something? Okay. Okay, well, as you can see by the time lapse, nobody got killed. Would have been an epic fail, but somehow we persevered. So that's how it's going to sit. Chris has deliberately designed this so the helm is up there and nobody can talk to him while he's driving.
They're gonna try it.
They're going to try.
So, it's about right, we located.
We'll look at it for about a couple weeks and get our for sure.
And the name of the project is Hot Lava.
Hot lava. I'll do a little walk around. Okay, that's a 33-foot Wellcraft Saint-Tropez. Still waiting for the architects to design my floor to satisfy the Coast Guard. But this gets us through a little waiting time. And it's gonna be pretty cool.
I think that's the one that's doing the peeing right over there.
Hopefully you'll see this all finished out and looking like about a half a year. The tower's done. I can get past that. There's your dinner.
Fighting chairs? Yeah, the big fighting chair.
All right, we moved it back past the little second window. We're gonna mess around with that over the summer. And by middle of fall, we'll be sure where we want it. Does it seem roomy up there, Phil?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I was just asking a stupid question, which is, how are you going to clear those wires? Show the wires. To get the boat 3 blocks over to the Seminole boat ramp. Chris pointed out that 13.5 feet is as tall as it can be to go down the road. So this upper deck here, this whole sail or canopy construction is built on hinges right there. So 2 guys can just hinge that bit back and still clear the wires to make it down to the boat ramp.
Yeah.
Pretty smart. Good design.
Who was so smart about that?
It's good design.
But who was so smart about that?
Well, okay, it was you. It was you. You were the smart one.
There's your dinner.